Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Kumar Bhuj. In this video I am going to demonstrate network design and deployment for TechLink solution using Microsoft Azure. Starting task 1, here is in the Azure portal. Under the TechLink resources group, I have deployed 4 virtual machines. So we can see in the video. So in TechLink resource group, need to filter for the virtual machine. So we can filter here in the TechLink resource group for the virtual machine. Now we can see here these 4 virtual machine I have deployed here. So first one is app virtual machine, core virtual machine, monitor and web virtual machine. So these 4 all are the virtual machines. All machines are connected via a customer virtual network called TechLink VNet. So here we can see the TechLink VNet. Next, I have configured 2 subnets. We're searching now, we can see here. We have configured their public subnet for web facing VMs and a private subnet for internal communication only. To enforce security, each subnet has NSG, Network Security Group. For example, core virtual machine have NSG allow DNS and SSH from trusted IP while blocking all other inbound traffic by default. So here we can see network security group. In network security group I have done in core virtual machine. So I can show you. We will go inside and see all the configuration inbound net security, allow DNS TCP, outbound security rules. Whatever we have configured we can see here in the network security group. So in task 2, I have implemented essential security control access for the environment. So we can see here in TechLink group, I have configured access control IAM. First, using Azure role-based access control, the user account has assigned the virtual machine contributor role. This ensures secure access following the principle of at least privilege. Next, we can see here role assignments as well. Roles, whatever we need, whatever we have done, configuration, anything, we can check here. So next we can see here for the Microsoft Defender for Cloud. So this is the Microsoft Defender for Cloud. We can see here properly. There is subscription, Azure resources, attack path, security alert, everything is showing in this screen. So this Microsoft Defender provide intrusion detection and real-time alert. As shown, the security posture is clean with 0 critical alert. I also deployed an Azure load balancer to distribute traffic evenly between Azure App Server and Web Server, enhancing availability. So with load balancer, it balance the load of like virtual machines or whatever we are using there. We can see here front-end configuration as well of load balancer. We can see the backend tool as well. Here the app server and the web server. So the two are working on the backend pool. And we can see the health probes as well. Showing health probe like this. So to guard against attack, DDoS protection plan is active on the virtual network. So auto mitigating threats like traffic flood, this kinds of protection is provided by the DDoS protections, which we are using in this TechLink VNets. We will move now to task 3. Task 3 focus on concentrations. So Docker was installed and configured here. We can see here Docker is enabled and on both VMs like App Server 01 and Web Server 01. You can see here as well both virtual machine is on. To verify container to container communication, I ran from one VM to internal IP of other. The connection succeed. Confirm secure internal communication other, the private subnets. So I ping that and all we can see here. I got the result successful. 17 received, 0 loss. So you can see here how we connected. So this all practical screenshots whatever I took from the Azure is all done. Now we will move to our technical report. I will show you. So this is my technical report cover page, securing and managing a cloud-based network. So we can go through with this. Here is also I have uploaded lots of screenshots and we can go through one by one page. So here we can see the introduction, task 1 network design and deployment, with lots of screenshots. In 1.2 we can see the DHCP and DNS configuration. Figure 2, the DNS was working properly, and 1.3 virtual network and subnets. We can see clearly with doing zoom. And figure 4 core NSC in bounded rule. We can see here in the screenshot as well, and I already informed in the screen recorded video in the Microsoft Azure as well. So here is the screenshot of IAM SS control. It is a clear and nice screenshot for IAM. So we can see here intrusion detection. So this already I have shown earlier. But 2.3 load balancer for high availability, 2.4 dog, 2.5 security validation and threats, everything here. Data encryption, data in transit protection, so task 3. All about the Dockers. We have how to did configuration, how to see the information. So here we can see the in the screenshot as well. We run the code docker info and we got the information about the Docker. So here is the configuration form successful on both VM. So we can see another screenshot as well. Hosting a web application BI developer. So here we can see the computing infrastructure as well. So in the terminal we can see .3 secure. So in the screenshot also we can make sure we will be clear with the screenshot. So this confirm that tax 4 here. This is my network topology diagram. So here is the list of screenshots and their descriptions. Docker installation concentrations, whatever. In conclusion, the reference